Here is our new incense burner. This one holds cones, or it holds the stick incense, and it's got a little fish, I'm not sure what kind. And if you have this special incense with the hole in the bottom for the cones, then it has a downward smog that looks really cool. So the cones look like this, and then just make sure you get the ones with the hole in the bottom so that it comes out the bottom of the fish, or the mouth of the fish, actually. So it looks really cool, really beautiful. Looks like a lake of smog. Really cool. We are happy with our new incense burner, and that little leaf is a decoration and can sit right in the little pool there.
She's coming.
It's overflowing.
Don't overflow.
It's okay, it's fine.